Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can create rooms in Revit. So let's start. Right now I'm in architectural tab. Let's create some boundaries. So I'll click on walls and I'll click for rectangular shape so that we can create some walls right here. Right now I'm not bothering like at which level those rooms are going on, but definitely, those walls are going on, but definitely we'll set their range as well of the walls. But firstly, I'll just created these walls. Now let me create some more walls. Click on wall. Now I'll draw some lines right here as well, like one line right here. Let's go like that. Let me go in 3D. So these are my walls. But if I'll see in section or elevation, my level is right here, right? My level 1 is right here. My level 0 is right here. So let me select all the walls till level 1. So I'll select all the walls, scroll down right here. You can see top constraint, click on that one, go for level 1. So okay, I did not select these walls, so I'll select these walls as well, and I'll set these walls as well for level 1. Okay, let me create one floor as well. So I'll go in 3D again, top view, click on floor, and let me create a floor for all these walls. Finish. Now let me go for roof as well so that we can have the actual idea how it'll be going on. So I'll go for level 1 roof and I'll go for this one. Right now this will be in slope, but definitely we can make it as zero slope. So right here I'll just fill the quantity as the degree of the slope 0. So it'll be flat. But definitely if you want to make it an angle, go for it. Like let's go for 30°. It'll be with the angle. Okay. So that's not the main point of our video. So I'm not touching that one right now. Go in the level 0 again. Now let's create the rooms. Okay. So let me create one room. So I'll be in the architectural tab only. Click on room. Now it is showing me the boundary, right? Because right here you can see this is highlight boundary. If I'll click on that one, it'll show me the boundaries. Those are right here. Okay. So based on that one, I'll create the rooms. So one room is right here, one room is right here. So let's create one room. Click on that one. The room is created. Let me create one room right here. The room 2 is created. Now I just press escape command, click on the room. Now right here the name, number and the areas. Okay, it is showing in meter square and square feet as well. Okay, now what I wanted to do is that, for example, let me create a schedule of this one so that we can see the proper parameters. Okay, the project browser is right here. Let me drag it this side, close this one, and for the schedules, right click, new schedule, and then search for room. Click on OK. I want the name of the room. I want the room number and yeah, I guess these two things that we needed right now, because the elevation definitely we can set at the end of the place. So right now I do not want to go for room 1 or room 2. I just wanted to mention, like, for example, area 1. I'm just giving it random names. Okay, area 1, you can change that one as well, and same thing for area 2. Okay, so that's how we can change the room names and numbers as well based on our requirements. Now right here, room area 1 and area 2s are right here. Now I selected this one, area 2. In the properties you can see the upper limit. It means till where you want to go for with this particular room. So if I'll go in 3D, in 3D we can't see the rooms. Okay, because rooms are uh, not 3D elements. So for that one you can create masses. That's a separate topic. We can cover that one in probably next videos. But for example, if I want to see till where it is going, so I'll create a section. I'll cut this section. Okay, and then right click, go to view. So show me till where my room is going. So my room is going till level 0, upper limit with the offset of 4 meter. So that's correct, right? Or we can go with level 1 with zero offset as well. Based on your requirements, you can go like that. Okay. So that's how you can do that thing. Same thing. I'll go with the another room as well. Let me go for plan. This one level 1 0 correct. This one level 1 and 0 perfect. So we have set our rooms. Now the more important thing is that, for example, I want to segregate the rooms in horizontal line as well. How we can do that thing? But there is not any wall, so I'll not create any wall. But I wanted to create, different rooms like room 1, 2, 3, and 4 like that. How you can do that thing? So for that one, you can use room separator. So click on room separator, and I wanted to draw a line from right here to right here and press skip command. Now if you'll see the rooms, those were earlier right there. Let me delete those rooms so that it will not create a problem for us. Room schedules, and I'll delete those rooms. Delete, delete. Perfect. Go for level 0. We do not have any rooms right now. Click on rooms again. Now it will not, coming in overall, but it's just showing this one. Room 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, press skip command, select all the rooms, select all visible in view, all four, go for level 1, 0 offset, perfect. So we have set all the rooms for, level 1 to level 0 for all four areas. Now you can definitely uh, revise based on your areas like corridor 1, for example, corridor 2, like that, and so on. So that's how we can create the rooms. In our next video, we'll cover the spaces. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.